"It was the most fun I've ever had on a golf course," the four-time NBA champion said. Steph Curry was feeling it on the golf course all weekend. The NBA star, 35, finished all 3 days atop the leaderboard at the American Century Celebrity Golf Tournament, presented by American Century Investments, in Lake Tahoe, Nevada this past weekend, winning the first golf tournament of his career. Curry had a huge smile on his face as he walked the course on Saturday afternoon and told people he was feeling pretty good. Quote,